join me in KL walking around, because nothing to do every day. Raining until now, still raining. So let's watch how KL be today. Banjir, Sungai Buloh sudah banjir. Kucai lama sudah tenggelam. Actually, this is rainy season in KL. Yeah, it's rainy season. Yeah, right.
Oh my god, I'm at the bitter nut. You see lah, I get caught lah. Yo baba, I got caught. I really get caught lah baba. Finish though. I'm at bitter nut lah. Lebuampang. I went to the jeweler shop to take something for myself. Ayo, after 6 o'clock also don't know whether can or not.
And we hope this raining stop, because a lot of trouble because of raining. Okay, now you watch my video, you guys, and thank you. I hope you always see what happened in Kuala Lumpur. Starting raining a lot. Today is raining season.
Oh, longue, le nuage de chic. Longue, le nuage de chic. Le meilleur, l'unique. Toujours imité, mais jamais égalé. Le célèbre. Longue, Asie. Oui. On est ensemble, longue. Mon frère.